Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing another power hour. I have a lot of stuff that needs to get done and I have a very extensive list. It's very ambitious and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get to everything, but this is everything on my list. I'm going to do the dishes because we just finished dinner. I just switched over the laundry. I changed all of our sheets today, so I need to fold and put away all of the sheets I took off the bed. I already made the beds. I need to clean up this table right here that's like got paperwork and stuff like that on it. I need to dust just like in the main areas of the house, like the dining room table and the shelf, all of that really quick. I need to vacuum. I need to clean the mirror in the dining room because there's like fingerprints all over it. And then I need to stock the fridge and snacks. So I have my work cut out for me. Let me show you the mess in the state that my kitchen is in. It's a mess. There's just stuff everywhere. We use the air fryer. There's tons of dishes. There's all the kid stuff from dinner out here. It doesn't look messy, but it is. Like the tablecloth's a mess. There's wrappers on the table, all of that. There's more crumbs on the floor than probably went in my kid's mouth. So it is exactly 5 o'clock. Let me show you the time. It is 5 o'clock on the nose. So I do account sometimes for moving the camera, setting up the camera and stuff like that, but I am going to get to work.
Club will go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music and the chase, like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. To go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Touching me around my neck, got chills down my back. You do it right, the way you're holding me. No, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me. Maybe we're meant to be a perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Night to end, yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough.
so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
All right, I am at the halfway mark. It's exactly, I don't know if you can see from there, but it's 5:30 on the nose. I've done the dishes, I've cleaned the kitchen table, I have vacuumed and cleaned up the dining room, I need to clean the mirror, and I've already stocked the fridge and stocked the snacks. So I'm doing good. I just have to dust, do the mirror, and sorry, and do the laundry. So hopefully the laundry will be done in time for me to do it, but I've got one load at least to do. So let's keep it cranking.
Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Talking to each other, I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing, time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide. It's always mixed emotions. The first step is always hard when you walk out of the doorway, but that's just the place to start. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run.
All right, it is 5:52 and I have everything done on my list. I'm like out of breath. But I also emptied the trashes. I also brought all of the recycling from all of the stuff that I stocked for the fridge and the pantry. But the only thing I did not get to finish is that load of laundry that's in the dryer. It still has another 15 minutes left, so I won't be able to get that done in the next 7 minutes. But I was able to accomplish a lot. I didn't think I was going to be able to, and honestly, if that load of laundry had been dried already, I would be probably cutting it close. So it's amazing what you can do in 1 hour without like touching your phone, without doing anything like that. And for me, that's super distracted and procrastinator, these videos like motivate me to get the stuff done in my house, and knowing I have to film it and prove that I did all of these things in 1 hour is super helpful for me. So I hope you guys like them as well. Make sure you guys are subscribed and you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling.